Do you know which US states have the lowest GDP? I recently did a video about all the states that had the highest GDP. So now we're going to find the ones with the lowest. And starting out with the 46th lowest is South Dakota with a GDP of $72.9 billion, with their biggest market being Sioux Falls. The 47th lowest state by GDP is Montana, with a GDP of $72.7 billion. And Montana's biggest market is Billings. The 48th smallest GDP in the US is Alaska, with a GDP of $69.2 billion, and their largest market being Anchorage. Moving on to the 49th lowest GDP is Wyoming, with a GDP of $51.4 billion. Wyoming's largest market is Cheyenne. And the state with the lowest GDP in the United States is Vermont, with a GDP of $44.5 billion. Now, it's important to remember that there isn't a whole lot that you can decipher from only a GDP number. These specific states have very small populations, which is why they're not producing as much. A good measurement to use to determine production quality is GDP per capita. And I'll be uploading 2 videos this week about the top states and the bottom states by GDP per capita. So go ahead and give us a follow so you don't miss more things like